What's up guys, in this particular tutorial I'm going to show you how I was able to use GROK to generate the storyboard video you are seeing on your screen. So this particular video, I'm just from one image I was able to, that has multiple scenes on it, it was able to convert it to a full-blown video. So I'll be showing you how to go about this in this particular video. So without further ado, let's just go straight into the tutorial.
Hello everyone, you're welcome to Blast channel. My name is Kingsley and I'm excited to share another tutorial with you today. If you're new here, please consider subscribing and clicking on the notification bell so that you don't miss out on future videos like this one.
Alright, this is the website we are going to be using. I'll be pinning the link to this website in the comment section. Do ensure you check it out. I've done quite a number of videos on this particular website on my channel, so you can do well to check them out. Going to the business of today, now we're going to be making use of GROK for today's tutorial. So now what I'm going to now do, I can just come over here and select my GROK. So once you click on GROK, it's going to bring you over here. And one thing about this website is that it gives you free daily credit. So you can always log in and you will see a pop-up by the down here for you to claim your daily credit. So do ensure you always come back to this website and claim your daily credit. You can see I've been able to claim it up to 104 on this particular account. And I have so many other accounts I've also claimed credit on this particular website. Now, if you want to know on how to claim more credits daily on this particular website, I'll be pinning the video a video here. Just check the video showing up here. It's going to show you how to do that, or I'll be leaving the link in the description. So now what you need to just do, now I've done similar video using students. So now this time around I want to use GROK for it. So now I want to I've already generated my image, so I already have my storyline, so I can make use of the prompt I already have. So but I'm going to, let me just try something. Let me just show you how I went through everything from scratch. So what I did was okay, I already have this is like instruction. This was the one I did for the other one I did for the other previous video I generated before. Now this one I've not done this, but this is just like a rough instruction I want to use to give to ChatGPT to now give me the story. So now I'm going to now copy the whole of this. I'm going to copy it. Now I'm going to go to ChatGPT. So now I'm going to, let me say I want to use Arena. Let me use Arena AI. This I normally like using it to generate my this. So I'm going to now I'm going to make use of any of the models so I'm going to go to direct chat. I'm going to do direct chat and I'm going to chat with, let me say GPT. I'm going to chat with GPT. So I'm going to now paste in my prompts. I pasted in my prompt. Now I'm going to now tell it to generate for me. So now you can see it's going to just verify all this, and it's going to generate the prompts for me. You can see it has gone ahead to generate the prompt for me. Now, I mean the storyline for me. So now this is the story it's generated for me. Now I'm going to now copy the story. Let me paste it somewhere. I'm going to copy the story. I'm going to paste it somewhere here. Okay, now here is it. I've pasted my prompts here. So now what I'm going to now do, I'm going to now paste this instruction at the end of the prompt. Now I will now say use the story above and generate a storyboard for me of 9 frames. Now you can decide to make your own 9 frames or as many frames as you want to. So it depends on you. Now, like in my case, I'm saying it should be 9 frames. You can decide yours to be just 3 frames. You can decide. So it depends on like the scenes, number of scenes you want to be on that distance. So now let me say, for example, I want mine to be, let's say I want it to be, let me still stick with that 9 frames, or I can even reduce it. Let me say I want it to be 6 frames. Let me say I'm using 6 frames. Let me say I want mine to be 6 frames. Now I'll just copy this now and tell it, the duration, let me say I want it to be like 30 seconds duration. So I'm going to now copy this. Now I'm going to now move to here, and now this time around I'm going to be switching to image. So switching to image, let me use battery mode. Let's see, I'm going to be using GPT image. So and ref, let me leave it these two. Then I'm going to paste in the story generated for me and the instruction. Then I'm now going to click on go. So once I do that, I'm going to now wait for it. It's going to generate the image for me. So now let's just wait and see what is going to generate for me. You can see that of Chat GPT generated faster, but this time around GPT just gave me just 4 images, of which I'm not really that okay with the 4 images the GPT generated. So I'm going to now let me see what this other one will generate for me. But if you're not okay with what GPT, you can just click on retry and it's going to regenerate it for you again. So now let me see that from here. You can see, okay, this one, okay, all right. I think I kind of like what this one gave to me. So let me just see what I can come up with. I think let me just save this because I'm going to save this somewhere. So let me just save this. You can also just download it from here directly. You can just download it from here directly. Let me see what GPT gave me this time around. I think, okay, the food. I think I still prefer more of the other one. So let me just leave. I think let me just make use, say I'm making use of this, or let me see if I'll get a better result. All right, I think I've gotten something more better for me. I think I'm going to go with this particular one. So now what I'm going to now do, I'm going to head over to turn this particular image to video. So now once remember we're on GROK here. So from here, you can see my model is still GROK. So now what I'm going to now do, I'm on this place, I'm going to now, it's just a simple prompt I'm going to add there. So let me just paste in the prompts. Now, this is the prompt I just added. Generate a video using this storyboard. Now what I'm going to now do is to bring in the storyboard I wanted to make use of. So I'm going to bring in this particular storyboard, the one I prefer more. Okay, I think the size was a quite of big, so let me just reduce this image size and I'll re-upload it again. All right, I've gone ahead to upload my image. You can see here is the image it has uploaded. So now what I'll now do is I'll scroll down a little under it. Now on this, whenever I scroll down a little, you can see duration. You can see the duration here. You can see if I'm to use 6 seconds, it's going to cost me only 3 credits. But I want to make use of the whole complete 30 seconds for this particular video. I want to make use of the whole complete 30 seconds. Then my quality, you can decide to increase the quality. You can decide to reduce the quality. If you reduce the quality, you can see 14. If you increase it, it's still 14. So it doesn't affect. So now I'm going to be using 720p. So now next thing I'm going to do is to just click on generate. So just ensure you check. I'm trying to confirm everything. Okay, my prompt, I added the to give it the instruction. So I'm just going to click on generate and see your video is queuing, and you'll see these are other videos I generated earlier on this particular account. Now you can see this other one is generating and it's using the GROK image video. That's GROK image. That's what I'm using. I'm using GROK on this particular video to generate this. So what I'm going to just do is I'm going to patiently just wait and see what is going to produce for me. All right, guys, I just want to clarify something here. You know, this website, we are not the owner of all these websites. We only, as these tools are coming out, we do our research and we bring these tools to you people. We tend to tell you and do review on these tools and show you how these particular tools, how they work and all. So that's just what we basically do. So if it's not working for you, probably as at when you visit the site, probably they might have changed some things on the site. Probably, like for example, if let's say for example we were given a particular number of credits and maybe when you came in the credits is no longer available or is lesser, it's not from our own end, it's just from the system, those that are managing the system. So that's just it. So if you come and it's probably at that point when you visit it's not working. So that's why I always advise, immediately you see us post, just turn on the notification so that immediately we post, you come over to watch and get to discover this and also seize the opportunity to generate your videos, so that before they change their mind, this is not, we don't own this stuff, and these people that owns it, they want to make money from it. So they might just come out, okay, give it out for free for a particular period of time, and before you know, they'll take their team back. So that's just it. So why the period where they leave it for free, just seize the opportunity and create as much videos as you can. That is what I just wanted to ensure I cleared the air about. All right, guys, it has completed generating the video, and although it took time because of queue due to, so I had to keep on retrying, and you can see it's finally generated the video for me. So now what I'm going to do, you can just click here and download the video, or you just click here to download the video. So you can see my video is already downloaded. So now what I'm going to now do, so guys, you can just, I'll be playing this video at the end of this particular video so that you see how it looks like. But from what it generated, I think I'm quite okay for it based on. So now I'm going to be, I want you guys to try this website out and let me know your comments and let me know what you feel about the website, if it was able to give you what you wanted. So for this particular video, this is where I'm going to stop.
Oh, you look hungry. Here, you can share my lunch. Thank you, you're so kind. See you tomorrow?
A rose for you.
For me? Oh, how sweet. Thank you so much.
You shared with me, so I share with you.
Oh wow, you brought me a sandwich? We're going to be best friends forever.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like it, share it, and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you get notified each time I upload content like this. So this is where I'm going to stop in this particular video. Catch you in the next one. Until next time, bye for now.